Hi guys, Rocky here again. I got another opener to share with you. This one's similar to the 1160. This one is a Liftmaster. This one, it's an 1155 LM. This was made in 5 of 1992. Now this is also one-piece 8-foot T-rail, full chain drive. This one's a little different than the 1160. You see it has 4 screw terminals instead of 3, and it also has a yellow button instead of green, and then the force adjustments. Some kind of warning label or danger label. Yeah, this is another very nice opener. No light cover. I didn't get a light cover with it. It probably got broken years ago. Yeah, just like the 1160 one-piece T-rail, 8-foot, full chain. This opener still has the original gear in it. I didn't have to change the gear in it, unlike the 1160 down there. I also have the original remote for this opener. This is a 61 LM and has dip switches. There's 9 of them. I don't have a battery in it right now, but this is the original remote. I'm gonna run it again using the 58 LM. This one's really quiet, a lot quieter than the 1160. But here we go. See, very quiet opener. Oh, the light bulb's flickering. I don't know why, but I find that pretty funny. We'll run it one more time. Get a close-up of this motor. You can see for a chain drive with no MVIS, it's really quite quiet. We'll run it one more time. So yeah, that's about it. This is my 1155 LM. Full chain drive, half horsepower. Very nice opener. I like this opener a lot. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this one and subscribe for more. And tell me if you like these kinds of videos. I still got a few more to show, a few more openers in the collection. That's for another video. But I thought I'd share these with you because I enjoy doing it. Okay. Thanks for watching.